This is the Iowa Weather Report for Thursday, May 14th, 2015. And now our first look at this year's GFS model run. At 1 p.m. this afternoon, we have a disturbance moving through the middle part of the country, but a much larger disturbance moving into the western part of the country. This first disturbance is going to bring us a little bit of rain and a couple of rumbles of thunder as well, mainly in our southern counties. The rainfall today will keep the temperatures down in the 60s for the most part, maybe some upper 50s in our northern counties. Rainfall amounts about a quarter to maybe a half an inch or so. Then that moves off to the east here on Friday. We'll be in between systems. The next system will be just about to move into the area. That could bring us some late day showers and storms in our western counties. Otherwise, some sunshine may peek through. Temperatures will go way into the 70s, maybe approaching 80 in our southern counties. And then here on Saturday and on Sunday, there'll be several rounds of showers and thunderstorms. Some of them could be strong to severe. We'll have to delineate the risk areas later on, but highs will mainly be in the 70s and lower 80s. Any sunshine will really help to destabilize the atmosphere both Saturday and on Sunday. Best chance on Saturday will be in our western and central counties, on Sunday in the eastern counties. You see here on Sunday the system will start to pull out, and by Monday we'll see clearing skies and temperatures back down into the 60s to lower 70s, which is fairly close to seasonal levels for the middle part of May, as that system continues to move across the Great Lakes down into the south and east. That system's now off onto the east coast here on Tuesday, but the next system is now approaching from the west. That could bring some showers and thunderstorms across the high plains and into the Rockies, where they could have some high elevation snow as well. Then as we go into Wednesday, that system moves in. That could bring us some more showers and maybe a rumble of thunder at that time. It's way too early to determine any possible severe weather with that. Readings likely around the 70-degree mark, give or take a couple of degrees. Then on Thursday, next Thursday, you can see we have pretty much a west to southwesterly flow aloft. The disturbance is slowly pulling off to the east and northeast, and I'll take a lot of the precipitation along with it. And you can see here on the surface map, still a little bit of rain around here, but better chances from about the Texoma region, Texas, Oklahoma, northeastward into the eastern Great Lakes and upper Ohio River Valley. But it's something to watch in the next couple of days after this next system. Going into the extended period, around the 26th or so, which would be Memorial Day, make that the 25th or 6th, you see a disturbance moving across the Great Lakes. And that could bring us another round of some showers and thunderstorms at that time. Some of those might be a bit strong, but it's still more than 10 days out to look at that at this point. So we'll keep watching it as we move along. Another disturbance over the Intermountain West as well might be moving in our direction toward the end of the forecast. And here at the end of the forecast, on the 29th and 30th, right around that point, northwesterly flow aloft, big trough over the Great Lakes and northeast, ridge over the west, except for a small disturbance over the desert south and west. That could bring a little bit of precipitation in New Mexico and Colorado. Mainly, the flow out of the northwest is going to bring us to a little bit of cooler temperatures, maybe a couple degrees below seasonal levels as we end the month of May. But this is all still fluid and could change and may likely change. But speaking of some change, we're going to see some change coming up. The satellite image from last evening shows a bank of clouds across the Plain States with some showers and thunderstorms there. That's slowly going to be moving in our direction later today with some rainfall at that time. In fact, by the time you watch this, there may be already some rain around. Watch warning map for last evening. Lots of frost and freeze advisories across the Great Lakes into the north and east. Some winter storm issues over Colorado and over the Sierras, and a flash flood watch over Oklahoma and North Texas. And you'll see why they're going to get a flash flood watch, because the rainfall for the next couple days through Monday evening at 7 o'clock shows a lot of rain down around Texas and Oklahoma. Around here about an inch, maybe up to 2, depending on any thunderstorms.